Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from Creative Cavern Studio, and my code is Cricket50 for 50% off. Yes, Cricket50 for 50% off. And if you mention my name, you will get my freebie, which I will be showing you here in a minute. I have ordered 3 orders. That's how much I love her shop, and I cannot wait to get to show you what I ordered. So first off, let me show you this. I ordered the mini kit, but let me show you my freebie when you mention my name. And I love the fact she tells you what you're getting. So like this is the mini kit, and then I got 2 full kits. But this is my freebie. So if you mention my name, you get this, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22 stickers on it for my freebie. Is that not adorable? And I love the colors, so I got to pick. So here is the most wonderful time. These are the full boxes, and like I said, this is a mini kit. So y'all, look what you have in store for a mini kit. Her size mini kits, if I can get it out, is the size of a full kit in some stores, so, or in some shops. So just keep that in mind. So most wonderful time of the year. So here are your full boxes. Here is your half boxes, appointment boxes, quarter boxes. Your days of the week, your sidebar, your habit trackers, bill due, then your square check boxes, then your bottom washi and washi strips. That is a mini kit. So full boxes, your half and quarter boxes and appointment boxes, your days of the week, your sidebar, habit trackers, and then your washi and washi strips. You get that much in a kit. So yeah, and that is called Most Wonderful Time. This next one is a full kit, and this is called Sandy Claus, and this is going to be one of my favorites of all time because I actually used one that the Nightmare Before Christmas and the Halloween, and that was my favorite layout. So here are the full boxes. It says they call him Sandy Claus. Look at the colors. The colors are phenomenal, and the paper feels so good. So full boxes, your full check boxes, your half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes. Your little things, and she gives you a ton. Your washi strips, again, a ton. Your days of the week, which are 4 different versions. Your work, hydrate, sidebar, habit trackers, square check boxes, bill dues, and flight. Your bottom washi, gorgeous, and washi strips. Deco. And then back to the full boxes. That is a full kit. Y'all, that is huge. The next one I got is called Arctic Adventures, and this too is a full kit. I figured you could use this anytime. So winter is magic. Here is your full boxes, and look at that. Look at the boxes, guys. They're beautiful. That snowflake right there, oh my God. Your check boxes. Your days of the week. Again, 4 different versions. Half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes. Your littles. Come on, Cricket. Your glitter headers. Your sidebar. Your bottom washi and washi strips. Look at that washi, it's beautiful. And back to the beginning again. Is that not beautiful? This is a gorgeous kit, guys. Absolutely, especially if you like the photo kits. This is perfect for you. This is beautiful. The next one I got is called Family Function, and this is a mini kit. But here are your full boxes. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes. Your bottom washi, look at that. Is that not cool? And washi strips. Your sidebar and your days of the week. And then my freebie. and back to the beginning. Again, and that one is called Family Functions. Then I ordered this. This one is called Cozy Fall, and I got the mini in this. Here are your beautiful full boxes, your half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes, your days of the week, which are beautiful, your sidebar, your bottom washi, gorgeous, and washi strips, and then back to the beginning. I got this one, I Am Autumn, in the mini. Here are your full boxes, and it says, I am such an autumn person, which is true for me. Look at those boxes. Look at the cat and the dog. Beautiful. Your sidebar with your days of the week. Half boxes and quarter boxes. Your beautiful bottom washi and washi strips, and back to the beginning again. I got this one as well. This one is called Fall Most of All, and again, it is done, this one is in the mini. But look at the colors of this kit, y'all. It is just beautiful. Gorgeous. Full boxes. Days of the week with sidebar, half boxes and quarter boxes and appointment boxes. Beautiful bottom washi and washi strips. These are perfect. These would be perfect for like PP weeks too. I got Snow Mountain in the mini kit. Again, another beautiful like photo. Mountains are the soul's fuel. Here's your full boxes. Your days of the week and your sidebar. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes. Come on. And then your washi strips. Again, another gorgeous kit by her. This one is Everything Fall mini. Beautiful. Full boxes, days of the week, the sidebar, your half boxes and quarter boxes, and then your bottom washi and washi strips. Gorgeous. This one is Coffee Beans. Here are your full boxes. It says Wake Up and Smell the Coffee. Your days of the week and sidebar. Your half boxes and quarter boxes and appointment boxes. And then your washi strips. Last but not least is Frosty Mornings, and it says Frosty Mornings in Toasty Mugs. Here are your full boxes, your half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes, your days of the week and sidebar, and then I love the bottom washi and washi strips. That, my friends, is what I got in my orders. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous kits. So make sure you go check her out. If you do, make sure that you use my name in the notes to seller. You will get my freebie, and then also use Cricut 50 for 50% off. So don't forget that, because that is a steal right there. So So I hope you all like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell. Follow me on PlannerNina_Cricut on Facebook and on Instagram. And I hope to catch you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.